Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.5150. Okay, and it is trying to go above this particular zone, which is high at a level of 2.5360. As soon as it started going above a level of $2.5360, we will see a further upside movement because there will be a zone breakout will happen. Second important thing that you have to understand, as I have already explained, this gap is already being filled now. Now the gap at a level of 4.1 is left. If the price started going above this level, then there will be a zone breakout and chances can be high, a further upside movement we can see. And if you look at this particular trend, then there will be a pattern forming if the price started going above a level of $2.7886. This is the level we can see an upside. Okay, now if you look at the overall trend, if you look at this, there is opposite U pattern is forming. After that there is a high. See, opposite pattern is forming, so chances can be high if the price again started falling below a level of around 2.3, a further downfall we can see. Okay, but because if you look at a month-wise chart, you will see clearly this pattern is forming, and this the another pattern is this. Okay, so chances can be high and the dollar. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, let's see, now it is trading at a level of $101.397, and I have already told you that when was the price was around 102, I have told you that there is a clear pattern forming, that it can move further low because chances was very high. And if now also we can see a little more a downside we can see in the price of dollar index, okay, which in turn can affect the price of natural gas, then it can go further upside. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 2.5389. So once the price started moving above this level, we can see a level of $2.7, and if from there a level of around 2.9 we can see. Keep that in mind that as soon as the price started going above a level of $2.7758, we can see a further upside movement, and from there it will cross a level of around $3.0437. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, we will see it will cross a level of $3.2, and from there a probability of crossing a level of probability of crossing a level of 3.5. Once the price started going above that level, we will see a level of 3.6. Okay, as soon as the price started going up to that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now understand something. See, the price as soon as started going above a level of 2.7, we will see a further upside movement. Okay, and if started going above a level of $3, we will see a further upside. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see a further downfall. Okay, because if we look at this small particular trend, we can see there is a probability. So suppose if this price didn't sustain, we can see it can go further low, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of 2.4547 we can see, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $2.33. Okay, and this level is also being a weak resistance support, so chances are high it will cross a level of 2.2, and once the price started moving below this level, we will see a probability of going further low. And yes, if the price started going below a level of 2.3, a further fall we can see, and chances of touching a level of 2.146 we can see, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 2.05. This 2.05 is already a weak support, so chances are high we can see a level of $1.9241, and from there a probability of touching a level of 1.8. And so as soon as the price go below a level of $2, we will see it can touch a level of 1.8 also, and then from there a further low also. Okay, now if see, you have to understand two pattern. This opposite U pattern is forming, so price started going below a level of 2.3, a further fall we can see. But if the price started going above a level of 2.7, a further upside we can see. These 2 points you have to understand here. Okay, overall trend we can see there is a little bit upside we can see, and yes, a probability of going further upside we can see because dollar index is coming. This is one of the thing. Okay, and once started going above 2.7, a further upside. But if the price started going below a level of 2.3, a further fall we can see because there will be a pattern forming. Okay, and this it has already touched this level, a dollar index. So if it started going upside, we can see that the natural gas price started going down. Okay, that can be a one of the factors. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.